So here I am getting ready to install some black clearance lights on my truck, my 2017 Ram 3500. Got these parts here by Part Sam, I think is the name of the company. Ordered on Amazon, so we're going to give these a shot. But the first thing I'm noticing right off the bat is some major grammatical errors on the instructions. The very first word, I don't know if you can see that or not, is installations. I think that's supposed to be installations. And there's numerous misspellings out here. So I'm going to go out on a limb and just say these are probably made in China. But anyway, let me show you my current clearance lights and see what those look like. So just the white clearance lights. What I want to do, keeping with the black theme here of the truck, is swap out these black LED lights. So I'm going to finish reading all these misspelled instructions and go from there. Okay, so that took all of about 30 seconds. I've got the first one installed. This is what it looks like compared to the others. There's a black one. I'll throw these other ones on and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we are a couple minutes later. We've got 3 of 5 done total, and this is what it's looking like so far. I think I like it. On these last 1 or 2 here, I'll post, or I'll show a video of the actual light off and how easy it is to hook these things up. And then of course I'll post the lights and how I got them in the comments below. Okay, so here they are, all installed. They don't look too shabby. So I took, I don't have my tripod yet so I can set it up and film this kind of stuff, but I took some still pictures and I'll make sure when I edit this and post it, I'll make sure I throw in some extra notes on things to watch out for. But thanks for watching.